Hi, I'm Pei-Ling Linda Steele, your trusted real estate advisor for life. I hope this year has been a successful, healthy, and happy year thus far for you and your family. Unfortunately for some, this year hasn't been the easiest or their best because a series of hardship has hit them, whether it's losing a home due to the fire, or loss of job, or sickness at the home, or even a loved one that just passed. As fall weather fast approaches and the cool air fills the night, let's put our holiday spirits together and warm the spirits and body of our communities by participating together with Manna Food Bank Food Drive.
I'm teaming up with Manna Food Bank's Marcel's Flowers Incorporated, Underwood Family Farms, and the One Luxury Properties for a heartwarming canned food drive that you won't want to miss. We will be creating a beautiful cornucopia centerpiece known as Horn of Plenty for your holiday dinner table, or give it as a gift. In Roman mythology, the cornucopia was associated with the goddess of good fortune, often holding a cornucopia. It signifies bountiful harvest, representing success, prosperity, and wealth, a timeless symbol of good things in life, and serves as a reminder of all the blessings we have and be thankful for and grateful for. In ancient times, it was also linked to deities and fertility of wealth, ensuring continued prosperity. So when Karla mentioned cornucopia centerpieces, I thought was the most appropriate. Let's bring the auspiciousness back to our own family and our good friends as we give thanks this holiday season.
Well, guys, don't forget to RSVP, and we'll see you at the event!